By the end of 2023, many of us should be able to explore a portion of Shiba's metaverse upon launch, but not all will be finished then. A total of 100,595 user minted plots are planned for the project. And we've talked about the bullishness around the metaverse, and nobody's really fully capitalized on it just yet. Shiba Inu, one of the largest market caps, actually out there building a metaverse. They hired a massive team. They have been out there at South by Southwest and other events talking about how they're building out their metaverse, what makes them unique. We've talked to Marcy right here on the channel. She's been very outspoken. But essentially, we will have access to a space featured to construct and manage their projects. Landowners will earn passive revenue from their holdings while amassing in-game resources and awards. Users will be able to build canine-themed avatars to travel the metaverse, interact with environments, and make economic contributions. Businesses will be able to come in and build in the Shiba Inu metaverse. The opportunities here are massive, and I've said this before. The opening of Shiba Inu's metaverse is anticipated for the year of 2023, and it won't be fully done. But as we roll into 2024, I think the bull market will heat up, and I do think that by that time, as the market's heating up, metaverse and gaming projects will come alive again. And I think the timing here is going to be perfect for how Shiba Inu and when Shiba Inu is building out their metaverse right now. So the news recently was that Shiba Inu climbed the ranks to become the fourth most popular crypto on CoinMarketCap as well. SHIB enthusiasts are excited about this. Not only are they excited about Shibarium, but they're also excited about the metaverse. And there are reasons here to be super, super excited. Despite the price action, which has been kind of sideways here to start 2023 for SHIB, even though we are up about 30% since the start of the year. I know people want more than that. It is still a good sign that people are excited about what's coming. And while many people have gotten frustrated here and people are saying, listen, the price isn't moving anymore, it's not going to do anything, you have to realize this, guys. When a price goes up so much like SHIB did, and it becomes a top 15 crypto by market cap, and it's got a market cap of $6 billion, do you know how hard it is now to move that asset? Think about Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? They can't just go up 30, 40% in a day. They can go up 6 or 7%, right? SHIB still can go up 40, 50% in a day, and we've seen it in the last year. But we're not going to see thousands of percentage of gains for this asset in this type of market. We have to be realistic with ourselves. And listen, I think when you look at Shiba Inu right now, it has tremendous upside. I think the most upside of all top 15 cryptos. That is my opinion, okay? I think we have more upside in Shiba Inu than any other crypto in the top 15 in terms of percentage growth that we could see, right? However, it's not the same SHIB when it was a $100 million market cap, a $1 billion market cap, a $2 billion market cap. It is a $6 billion market cap when as high as a $45 to $50 billion market cap, right? But here's what I'm looking at. I am looking at how can I manage my risk and still have upside. Those are the type of assets I want in my portfolio for the next bull cycle. Which assets have tremendous upside, but also allow me to mitigate risk? I always say this, 65 to 70% of my portfolio right now is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. That can change over time, but that's how I've played it recently. After that, I dabble with top 100 cryptos first, and then I dabble with micro caps. Have a balanced portfolio. Shiba Inu, to me, is one of those household names now that helps you mitigate risk. It's not as risky as it once was, and it still has tremendous upside, tremendous potential to become go beyond that. I truly do, with Burns, with the metaverse, and with Shibarium. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Peace.